automation is convenient when I need to gain time for consuming tasks like brute force attacks, for example, because this is definitely something that you cannot do manually. But also, sometimes in a company, for our practice, we do craft specific tools for specific tasks that are, dedicated to the company. Like, for example, for reports, we want to ensure consistency and equal quality in the deliverable. So we can develop a tool to standardize our reports and make sure that it has equal quality everywhere. It has its advantages and it has its drawbacks. It really saves time on repetitive tasks that would not really add a lot of value to a pen test, but it can also be a drawback because, like for example, if we use a vulnerability scanner, and so we do save time on some things, but we are still going to need to validate if we need to check for false positives. And also sometimes a scanner will find something, but we are going to need to go further and to understand. And sometimes it will bring up something, but it will not point specifically the vulnerability. This is definitely critical thinking and understanding the target. And it has its advantages, but you cannot only rely on this. It's impossible.